Hi, I'm Rob Reeves, VS Sassoon Stylist, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily achieve salon looks at home. These are quick and easy steps to create beautiful hair so you can love your own individual style. The VS Sassoon straightening brush gets your hair looking smooth, shiny and frizz-free in just minutes. Firstly, take a section from the temple on one side to the temple on the other side. Twist and clip on top of the head. Next, take the section from the top of the ear to the top of the other ear and secure with a clip. The hair left down at the back is your first section. Place the brush on the underside of the first section and move the brush slowly downwards from roots to ends until your hair is smooth. Continue moving through the sections until the entire head is completed. To create bend on the ends, curve the brush inwards towards the face for soft movement. That's how you create a smooth finish style using a VS Sassoon straightening brush. Love your style and easily create salon looks at home with VS Sassoon. For more tutorials and product details, search VS Sassoon. Make sure you like this video and subscribe below.